Good morning.
Good morning. And this is the local garden. Hello, have you brushed your teeth? You have not brushed your teeth today. And you're showing us your teeth. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
My name is Elora.
My name is Maya.
Say hello to friends.
Hello, dear friend.
Say hello.
Hello.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, sirs.
Good morning, sir.
You want only you to talk. Only you. Only you cannot talk.
Good morning.
I saw good morning. No good morning. Good morning. Allow your sister now. This guy. You are not selfish, my baby. Say hello.
Hello.
Oh, yeah, say hello.
Hello.
You have said now.
Hello.
Can I stand up now? I can. Thank you. Wait, let me stand up. I want to put something.
Mommy, did Daddy came?
Daddy came. Okay, that one is not good again. So I have. Hello, wait, allow me. I have clothes that I need to
What
wash.
are you doing?
I'm doing work
What?
over this clothes. This rain, everyday rain does not allow us to wash clothes. If you wash, it takes time to dry. Before that one will dry, everywhere will be filled with clothes.
Why is the rain
Everywhere will be filled with clothes again. So these are the clothes
Mommy,
I'm going
why
to be
did
washing
the
this
girl
morning
do here and
after I finish sleeping.
talk to you?
So I finished cooking the beans. Yeah, I want to wash. I have some clothes I need to wash. Like I need to wash. These days it's been raining every day, so it takes time for clothes to dry. I try to wash it before it's plenty so that before it dries, another one will wash and spray it because most clothes now are drying inside. But yeah, I'm very hungry. I don't know if I eat the beans. I'm craving beans, so but I don't know if I eat it now. It's going to burn my tummy, but the craving is really hard, so I'm going to like dish the beans. Sorry I didn't carry you guys along when I was cooking the beans because my tired is tired. But anyway, I want to eat the beans. Hopefully it doesn't increase my ulcer pain because I'm craving beans. Like I'm really craving beans. So I'm just going to dish small that I'll eat now. Then when I eat, I'll probably sleep before I'll come out to wash because I'm feeling very tired. For now, my eyes are looking very stressed out. So let me dish the beans so I can eat. See my favorite snack now. Plucked this from the garden yesterday. It was full. I ate almost half of it yesterday. Elora, Chikama, leave me alone, please. The local garden egg. We pluck from garden egg leaves. So this one they plucked from the garden yesterday. I've eaten, it was full. I've already eaten half of it already. But this is my favorite snack currently, garden egg. Yeah. And this is the beans we're going to be having now. So keep quiet. Laura enjoyed it. I was even the one that stopped feeding her. You're doing face like what I done. Open your mouth. She'll be telling me, Mommy, it's very delicious. Laura say it's very delicious. You're doing face like I'm giving you poo to eat. Relax.
How like
Come. Go open the door for your sister.
One eternity later.
How did you find it?
I said it's
Your mind is not here. Your mind is inside.
My mind is here.
It's not. You don't want to look.
Three. Look, it's alright. What if it's already 4? That's fine.
Won't you wash it this one before take? Here's one. Remember our banger. We are using it today. The two of them. I'm using it today. Hey, wait. How is it going? Okay, melt some water.
Again, it's popping out of my ear.
crayfish, pepper, ginger, garlic. It's as if my ginger garlic did not blend well. So ginger, garlic, and the rosemary that I blended together, so that it will give the stew a unique taste as I'm making it. You know? That guys, my cooking smells so good. I don't have stock cubes, so I am not adding stock cubes. That combination of ginger, garlic, and the crayfish, everywhere my heart is smelling so nice. Like it looks like it just caught fresh. You know those relaxing smell fresh.